Welcome to this ICAL teacher training video. In this video we'll be introducing timelines, showing how they are made and how you can use them in your classroom to help explain when and how various verb forms are used. Firstly though, let's begin by looking at exactly what a timeline is. Quite simply, draw a horizontal line and label it to represent time from the past to the future. Right in the middle is now, and that's a timeline. Once we have this set up, we can use it to show how and when different tenses are used in English. For example, suppose you are explaining to your class the past simple. You tell them that it is used when we're talking about an event that started and finished in the past. For example, I drove to work this morning. On the timeline, you can simply add the event like this with a cross to represent it. Your students can see when it happens in the past, and the use of the cross suggests a single discrete event. The other convention in timelines is to use a wavy line to represent continuous tenses. It gives the idea that the event is longer in duration. Here, we're showing a future continuous. I will be watching, for example. Of course, you can mix these ideas. Suppose we wanted to show how we use the past continuous tense to set the scene, and then the past simple tense to interrupt it. This happens in statements such as, I was watching television when the doorbell rang. We can show this on a timeline like this. A wavy line for the past continuous, which is interrupted by a cross representing the past simple. So, in the classroom, a timeline is a very quick and simple way to demonstrate both how some tenses are used as well as the differences between various tenses. They are by no means perfect, and sometimes the subtleties of verb use defy the timeline, but they are useful and students do find them helpful.